This Saturday, mega open house.
Hey, what's going on, social media world? Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. Well, I got a call on Sunday asking for me to host an open house. Then I got the same call on Monday. I gave them both the same answer. I needed to check my schedule. And then I almost said no to both. But then I got a call from both on Wednesday begging that they needed these homes sold. So I decided I was going to give the people what they wanted. So this Saturday, we got a double mega open house. I will be in sunny Cape Coral all day long. So the first stop is going to be from 11 to 1, and that'll be at 205 Northwest 1st Street, 4 bedrooms, beautiful pool home, minutes of shopping. It's marvelous, okay? A must see. Then from 2 to 4, I'll be at 1705 Northwest 2nd Street, another fabulous 4-bedroom home, brand spanking new, okay? Can't beat it with a stick. And also it's like right down the block from the other home, so shopping too. So if you guys can't make both open houses, remember I can do video calls for you, and that's not a problem. But if you're looking for a home and you know someone who's looking for a home, definitely come on by, check out the homes, and let's have a chat. Or just come out and say hi, all right? See you guys on Saturday. Thank you to everyone who watched this video. If you would like to see any of the homes that you saw in this video, please give me a call. I'll be glad to take you on a personal tour. But please like, follow, and subscribe to any one of my social media channels. Let's make the channel grow so I can give you better content. All right? See you guys later.